Good day. Today I want to discuss best practice when you have storage. One of the most important things in a storage setup is that the chances of contamination and the risk of that is always there. Due to that, I prefer not one big tank, but rather multiple tanks, which will give you the opportunity to at least deal with the problem while your rest of your operations can go forward. Another component is to keep legislation as well as the local regulations in mind. Legislative and your regulations within the municipality that your storage falls isn't an option, it's mandatory. It's there for a reason, and especially going in regards to the fire permits that you need to have and all the other stuff that you need to do. You do that to ensure that you do not put your business at risk as well as your employees. Another important matter is to really do your stock reconciliations on a regular basis, even though it's your own storage tanks, especially when it's underground. The moment you see that you're getting a loss on your stock reconciliation, it might be that there's a leak underground of your fuel tank. So that's very important to do that, as well as your yearly pressure test on the tank. But you will first pick up on your stock reconciliation that you're starting to get a loss, and then you need to act immediately, because obviously that's got environmental issues that goes with that. If you comply with all the regulations, your site will be well ventilated, as well as not too close to certain walls, to certain buildings and so forth. It's important to comply with those, because that is for safety purposes. Everything in the regulations is not all about safety purposes, but also there's in certain instances method in the madness to ensure that it's not close to the wall, that if something happens that you can move around it, that the fire brigade can come in, that they have enough water to kill a fire if necessary. So there is reasons why these regulations is in place, and it's not just someone that sat in an office thinking about these things. We as GASPET assist our clients in building their own reconciliations so that they can do their stock recons, so that they ensure that they can account for all the product that is being used, that their staff isn't stealing from them, that their staff isn't contaminating their stock, and that we can have a look and see what is your consumption to identify certain risks and certain challenges within you, in your industry, as well as within your business. We are happy to come out and come and assess your storage setup, give advice, some of the stuff we learned the hard way, and we're more than happy to share this with you. With that, there's also a training component that goes with it, where we're more than happy to train yourself as well as your staff on those key items that is very important. We as GASPET don't only want to be your fuel supplier, we want to be your business partner. So give us the opportunity to take hands with you and move forward in your storage challenges. We can assist with those, because we fueled for growth.